I'm Ashley, I'm 20 years old and I'm a uni student, and as a part-time job I do face painting.
When did you start?
I started face painting right after secondary school when I was about 17 to 18 years old, as I wanted a part-time job. The usual part-time jobs out there are like pretty time-consuming, and as a student I don't think I'll be able to balance my schedule well with that. Yeah.
So did somebody introduce you to face painting, or you kind of picked up everything on your own?
A friend of mine introduced me to face painting, and when I first started, I started out with a company, but then now I usually take external contacts and I do freelancing as well.
So you have a social media handle?
Yeah, I do have a social media handle. It's only on Instagram. Are you ready to face paint? Yeah? Okay, so the first step that I usually do is you make sure your brushes are clean with a brush soap, and you make sure that you have 2 pots of water right here. Usually cups will work, but because I work like with a lot of people all at once, I usually need 2 for like sanitary purposes. I'll be teaching you 3 designs today. I'll be teaching you rainbow with clouds, I'll be teaching you how to do a rainbow unicorn, and I'll be teaching you how to do a dinosaur, okay? So all these designs will be around the eye area and not really like the full face. So I'll demonstrate it to you, and then maybe we can try with like brush technique and everything, okay? And this brush is 1 inch, and the bristles are very soft. You want to touch it? Because they're supposed to be used on the face. You kind of want to wet your brush, drain the rest of the water here, right? And you kind of want to dry it pretty thoroughly, like a few strokes on the napkin. We're going to do a rainbow over the eye. So above the eyebrow, to the side of the eye, to under the eye. So would you like to do the pink one, or would you like to do the more red one? The more red one? Okay, sure. So this is the rainbow one that I have. So what you want to do is you want to spray it around 15 cm away from a distance, and just do like a light spritz. In fact, that's enough already, okay? And what you want to do is you want to take your brush and glide it gently. All the colors are on the brush nicely. That's how the rainbow comes out. And okay, now that we're doing it on the face right here, you want to mark it. Twist your brush and flick. So that's a rainbow.
Do you want to give it a try?
You want to give it a try? Why not we do it at the other side? You want to try it? Okay, so start from the very end.
1 stroke.
Yeah, 1 stroke. Good job.
1 side.
And then 2. So let me guide you for like the first time that you do it. Okay, so start from here, in, and as we go down, we twist the brush like this, and then all the way down, and flick it up. Yeah, you see, you did it.
Ooh.
Wow. So you did a great first job. Okay, why not we try it again? And turn it 1 more time, same direction. Yes.
Nice.
Yes. Good job.
Good.
All right. Okay.
Washing my
And how long these colors last?
Like the paints, usually for me, or like the expiration period. Usually for me, it really differs on the colors, because like the colors like the rainbows, they use up faster because I use it with every kit. But usually by the time like 2 years pass by, usually I toss it out and get a new one because that's when it's expired.
Oh,
yeah.
2 years.
Yeah. Okay. So you want to try the rainbow with the clouds this time? Yeah. Okay. We'll have some white paint right here.
So you take the paint like that?
Just load it up just right at the tip of the brush, and what you want to do is you want to make a cloud shape. So
Okay,
how does a cloud look like?
It looks like a shape like this.
Yeah. So very round, right?
That's
Sort of like that.
easy.
Yeah. So it's just little dabs. Do you want to try?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So you have to be really gentle. So hold your brush more like this. Yes. And then just dab, 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 dab.
Try.
Yeah. Try it on your own. Wow.
Good.
Very good technique. All right. Okay.
Like this.
Yeah. Like brush this way. Yeah. Good job. This. This. Then the other side. Do up a little bit, and right at the tip here, you can start at the top. Second dab.
Not near to the rainbow.
So any kid who is currently in an art school and wants to do something very similar to what you are doing, how much would they want? What kind of investment do they need to start into this? Buy the basic props and everything?
You can. The basic props, you can probably get it at any art store in Singapore, any major one. I would recommend Art Friend. They do have like a little kits that have everything that you need to first start at face painting, and that should be enough for a kit for now. But the ones that I get, I usually get it I ship it from overseas, so I make sure that the products are like good quality and safe for kids to use.
Do you take advance order? Like, is it a timeline that you prefer to have in case somebody wants to book you for an event?
I would recommend 1 month to like a few weeks in advance before your event starts or when your party starts. That should be like a good amount of time for me to like prepare and for your event. Yeah, in case you have any themes or whatever. I'll teach you the unicorn step by step because it is a bit harder than the rainbow. 1/2 inch brush like this. Yeah. Okay. Just like load up a little bit of white. This time the whole brush should have it. You start at the middle.
Where is the
of your
center?
brush.
Point the center.
Point the center. Good job. So right here, you usually start the horn, and what you want to do is you want to make up.
Wow.
Okay. So little up, and at the very end, you want to make a little. Then you can add a 4th one if there's still space.
Ooh.
So that's like a unicorn. So what we want to do for the ears is you want to scoop down and twist your brush. Scoop down and twist your brush. And the same side for the other. You want to twist, different side, flick. Okay. You want to try the unicorn? Yeah? Okay.
Actually, are you only based in Singapore and you take orders only in Singapore, or how is it?
Yeah, I only take orders in Singapore and I'm based in Singapore itself. Yeah. Flick up. Flick up. Flick up. This one you can do another flick up. Bottom. Like this. And do the same for the other side.
Oh, nice. Okay, looks like a rose flower. Nice. Perfect.
Good job. Down, swoop. Okay, drop it there. Swoop. Good job. There you go. Yeah, look, the unicorn.
Hi. So nice.
So nice. You wanna give me a high five? Good job.
Do you see it as a lucrative option to have a side hustle like this, and also to kind of set yourself as a small business, have a good work-life balance, what you wanted out of it, have that time with friends and family? Do you have both?
Yeah, I do. It's a really good side hustle because even though I get busy mostly on weekends and stuff, I get to spend more time with my family on the weekdays. It's a really good side hustle if you're a student because if you're a student, you're mostly busy on the weekdays, whereas like face painting and events and stuff will usually be on Fridays and weekends. It's really rewarding because you usually have to work for like within like few hours, whereas like a regular part-time job makes you work for more than like 8 to 10 hours, which is very strenuous for students. But considering this only usually takes me like few hours a weekend, and the rewards are like pretty big.
Yeah.
You ready to learn the dinosaur? I'm gonna wipe it. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. It's good. It's gone. It'll come back.
It'll come back soon.
It'll come back soon.
So we did
Dinosaur.
rainbow, we did unicorn.
And then now we're doing the dinosaur.
Dinosaurs this
Is it T-Rex?
So what color is a dinosaur? Like the usual color?
green.
Yeah, good job. 1, 2, 3. You want to extend the thigh? 4. What color are horns usually like if you think about like maybe on a dinosaur? Usually like
Like white.
yeah, good job. So you want to put your down and up. Lift the pressure up. Yeah.
Now we done.
She's so gentle with everything. Did you notice? You got to be gentle. You know,
Gotta be patient.
patient. Who is the most patient person?
Yeah. They're the most patient.
So sweet.
Mommy's the most patient.
So sweet.
Every mummy is patient.
Okay, I'm gonna be doing above the eyebrows first. So I'm gonna be starting here.
Aki, look here.
Yes.
Little gel. Let's give you a gold.
Ooh.
Wouldn't that be nice?
No shampoo for 3 days.
No. All right. Beautiful. It looks so nice.
Show Aki. So great. I hope after this you get a lot of calls to kind of do workshops and training events.
Yeah.
in addition to what you're doing of face painting on birthday parties and other kind of social events.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ashe.
Thank you so much.